Welcome to the new lesson, and in this lesson we are going to see how we can add some more variables, extra variables in our existing data. And you can see that we have our existing data, which is our cleaned underscore data, and we will add another significant variable, which is refund, within this data set. And for this we have to load the data that contains the variable refund. You already know how to load the data. You have the code, you can just copy it, and you can just paste it. And now you have to revise something. At first you have to revise the data that contain the refund variable, which is extra variable dot xlsx. Then you have to change the variable within which you will load your extra variable data. You can name it like extra underscore verse, and you have to make sure that you call the dot head function for the extra underscore verse. Now run the code. You can see the first 5 rows of our data that contains the refund. Now let's see how to get the required Python code from ChatGPT. Here you can see I write, give me a Python code to merge one data with another on order ID. Why I write order ID? Because if you see that our extra data includes the order ID, as well as our existing data include the order ID. So order ID is the common variable that is present in the both data, and the data will be merged for only the matching ID that presents in both data. For example, if we check this particular order ID, start with 70, you can see that start with 70 and ending with 66, the order ID is present for this data as well. So if the Python see any order ID which is present in our existing data but not present in our extra data, or vice versa, those particular data will not be added. Command the ChatGPT. Here you can see the code. So ChatGPT created two sample data set and we do not need it. We just need this small piece of code, and you can see the merged underscore df is the variable within which the merged dataset will be loaded. And in the right side of the equation sign you can see our code. At first it present our first dataset. As per the ChatGPT, the first dataset is df1. Then the dot merge method is used. It is a Python method which is used to merge one dataset with another one. And you can see within the bracket of the merge method, the first value is the second dataset, and then it specifies on which common variable we need to make the merge operation. That's all. Just copy the code, go to Jupyter Notebook and paste it here. Make some changes, like our first data is cleaned underscore data, and the second data is extra underscore verse, and everything is okay. Just run the command. Now call the variable merge underscore df. You can see that an additional variable called refund is added perfectly with our existing data set. So this is the simplest way you can merge any data as per your wish. Thank you.